Welcome to Happy School Online for Mandarin Learning. This video is specifically designed to help our students to study Mandarin Chinese in a structured and systematical manner. Through watching the video, it enables our students to learn and master Chinese grammar easily and effectively. In this lesson, we teach you how to speak and write different combinations of numbers in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, let's start. Before learning the combination of numbers, we need to know how to use Mandarin to express the value of a digit in different positions of a number. Starting from the smallest value.
个十百千万
We first recap to review the basic numbers in single digit or digit in ones as follows.
一二三四五六七八九零
Next, let's see how to express digit in tens. Put 1 in the tens place. Put 0 in the ones place. The value of the number is 10. Pronounce as
一十零
It's 0 and put in the ones place. We don't need to pronounce 0 anymore. Correct pronunciation is
一十
or simply say
十
For examples, 19 is pronounced as
一十九
or simply say
十九
20 is pronounced as
二十
34 is pronounced as
三十四
99 is pronounced as
九十九
Okay. How to express digit in hundreds in Mandarin. 506 is pronounced as
506
You need to be aware if 0 is put in the ones place, we don't pronounce 0. However, other than the ones place, we only need to pronounce it as 0 accordingly. For examples, 803 is pronounced as
803
170 is pronounced as
170
For digit in hundreds and in thousands. 5012 is pronounced as
5012
50,007 is pronounced as
5007
86,457 is pronounced as
86457
That's all for our today's video. If you are interested in our lesson, please visit our website www.happyschoolonline.com.